Hey, I'm Tapanroy and today I want to share you how to draw animals. So yeah, from this long back, when started the painting when I'm kids, I really very fascinated about the animals drawings. So animals drawing is not that easy, okay, because this animals are roaming around here and there. So if it's difficult to understand that, the pose and the shapes, but it's really interesting. So we'll start. Okay, so this is the torso, the pelvis and torso and the heads. We are just making the first one. The heads, basic shapes first like this, and from here the first line is the first front leg, this is the back leg. From back leg, this line is coming like this. This leg is coming like this, and front leg is coming like this. So make first the basic head, torso, pelvis, and join this. This is the first basic. Keep silence. Keep silence. What is silence? He's not drawing. Now, all of you, now starts. You are going to this right. Okay. Right. Okay. Come this side. Okay. Come here. Come here. Make it oval. Like it's oval and circle. Oval and circle. Make it oval high. High is oval. Make it oval. Here. Make it oval. Oval like
Circle. Sir, he is drawing a circle.
like
Sir, he is drawing a circle.
fine. Oval. Make this erasing this part, and make here one. Do this. Babu. Okay. Now see. See. Okay. So now I just change this part over here. I just make it this, from the basic shapes. I change the see. Hello. Focus here. We are giving this just little bit of make the little bit of the structure of the character. Okay, take the pencil and do this little bit of this side is okay, the shadings, and in down parts here is the shadings, little bit of okay, and make this is always basically this type of deer are living in the grassy area, so long grasses you can put over here, and especially here this part is more darker than the first. Okay. I just create some atmosphere